Yeah? So this is the law of sine. Little letters are what? Sides. Big letters are angles opposite. Yes. So A, opposite of side, little a. Yeah. These are ratios. A over sine of A, B over sine of B, C over sine of C. Most times you only have to use 2 of these ratios in a problem. You probably don't need all 3. Okay, next one, law of cosine. Does anyone remember law of cosine? No, not my geometry kids. Thank you. Anyone remember how we start law of cosine? So that's just cosine. We are always going to start with the Pythagorean theorem. Natalia, do you remember the Pythagorean theorem? Yeah. So I'm going to start with c squared. So c squared equals a squared plus b squared. Now, that's just the Pythagorean theorem. That's not all a law of cosine. Next, we do minus 2 of the... You good, Sebastian? Negative 2, Sebastian. Right. Negative 2 of the 2 sides we have inside. So you have A and B. And we take the cosine of, guess what angle? What's outside? C. So I'm taking the cosine of C. So I can switch these around. Let's say I start with B. What would be next? Plus C squared. So that's outside. Minus 2. What are my 2 inside? A and C. And I'm taking the cosine of what angle that's outside? B. Boom. And I can write it again for a 3rd time. I'm just not going to do it because you only really need to know one.
Wait,
capital letters are for... Yes, so this is capital, this is capital. These are both angles. Yep. So these 2 are angles. Michael, why am I teaching you this again if you learned it in geometry? What? Oh, sort of. What? He said that because it's going to apply to what we've already done. So remember when you typed in something to your calculator the other day, and they give you one solution, and I said your calculators are like really stupid, and there's more? So there's multiple solutions to law of sine. Law of sine only gives you one solution to a problem. It doesn't give you all the solutions to the problem. So there's ambiguous cases of law of sine. You just don't learn it in geometry. So there's multiple ways to get the same triangle using the same things. Yeah? Okay. Should we practice law of sine, law of cosine examples, or are we good? You want to go right into the... You want to practice? Okay, I'll give you... Let's do one example. You, plug it in. Wait. What? Okay, let's call this A, B, C. Sunny, you want to do a side or you want to give me an angle? Okay, which side? BC? Okay, give me a length. 12. Okay. Francesca, give me an angle or side, whatever you want. Mm-hmm. A what? AB or AC? AB, 5. Perfect. Michael, give me an angle aside. Sorry, Sebastian. AC. Okay. What's the length? 20. Okay, let's find... Lily, what angle do you want to find? A. Find angle A. Are we using the law of sine or the law of cosine? How many sides do we know? 3. So we have side, side, side right now. Yeah? We want angle. Want, no. Want one angle. Okay, let's look at law of cosine. I have one side, two side, three sides, and one angle. If I look at law of sine, I need two sides and two angles. I know 0 angles. I cannot use law of sine. You can only use law of sine if you have at least one angle. So you need to use law of cosine. Law of cosine is like for sine, 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 angle, sine. We would use law of cosine when we have more angles than sines. Angle, side, angle, as such. So use law of cosine and find x. So law of cosine. Find x. Okay, what is side C? Okay, if I'm looking at C, it's whatever's opposite of it. So we have 5 squared. A is what? 12 squared. What's B? 20 squared. Okay, minus 2. What's A again? 12. What's B? And cosine of... Oh. Let me try and find that one. Wait, let's switch it around. That's so true. Let's not use that one. Let's use the A one. A squared equals B squared plus C squared negative 2A BC. Cosine of angle A. We should use that one instead. Same one as that, we're just putting A out front. Because I want angle A over there. So Angel, what is A? 12 squared. What is B? 20. What's C? 5. Minus 2. B is... Lana, what's B? Side B.
Wait, side B?
Side B. Opposite of angle B. 20. So what's C?
5.
Yeah, 5. And I want cosine of x. Yeah.
For A, would it be 12?
Yeah. Well, angle A, no. That's what x is. Side A is 12. Yep, we're trying to find for x. Okay, I'm just going to move some things over. All of this I can subtract over onto the other side. So I have 12 squared minus 20. Or you can just do the math and do it that way. That's fine too. Negative 20 squared plus 5 squared. No. Minus 5 squared over negative 2 over 20 over 5 equals cosine of x. So I'm taking this right here. They're both positive, right? I'm going to subtract it over. That's how I get the top. Then I'm going to divide by what's out front over here. This is a formula. So cosine of like a equals a squared minus c squared minus b squared all over cosine, nope, all over negative 2cb. That's a good formula to know if you just want an angle. Did I lose anybody here getting to this part? All I'm doing is manipulating this top function, and I'm getting cosine by itself. Am I solving for an angle? I'm using this one. If I'm solving for a side, use this one. Yep, this is when solving for an angle. This one's solving for a side. What? Yeah. Why? Okay. I mean, what? It's okay. It's gonna be like one problem. We're gonna practice more. Yeah. Okay. You guys all chose to do an angle first. Did we get how we got to this on this side? Yeah? Okay, what did we get when we plugged it into the calculator? Got 81? Is that what you got? Let's look at it.
Oh, we're doing that one?
In the top part. In the bottom. Negative 2, negative 1. Negative 2. That doesn't make sense.
That should have been right.
Yes, I told you.
Negative 281. 281 over negative 2 times 20 times 5. Yeah, should have been the top over negative 200. So what is 12 squared minus 20 squared? What?
I made them positive about the square.
Oh, no, it's like this. Elijah. Negative 281 divided by 200. Yes. Sunny.
Yes.
I just want you to stop talking. But Sunny, you're there. What can I do next?
You can do inverse of cosine.
Perfect. Inverse of cosine.
Cosine is
Yeah.
Oh, because it's not a negative, because I didn't put negative in my calculator. It should be positive. Let's see.
All the time for stuff like that. You had to switch it up.
That's the triangle that you all made. Okay. Why did I start recording? I mean, no, because it's we're gonna look up the oh,
Sweet. I don't mean to glitch. That's pretty good.
I know, I love those things. Ambiguous case. Whoa. Put it back. Put it back. Okay.
Yes.
Break it in half. It's a big one. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Okay, wait. 1. Okay, I want you. We're gonna make a sketch. We have a triangle, something like this. This is 6. This is 8. This is 30. I want you to first. We're gonna make 2. No, this one doesn't have to be perfect. Just sketch this normal. Yeah. I'm not gonna tell you. Because I'm not. Okay, I want you to find. I'm thinking. Yeah.
It was very sweet.
Yeah. No. I'm thinking. Find this angle right there. Are we using law of sine or law of cosine? I've given you 2 sides and 1 angle. No. This is law of sine. Law of sine. Because I gave you angle, side, side. I have 1 angle. I want you to solve for another angle. Well, no, it's the ambiguous case of this. Yeah. We only have 5 minutes. What's the question? We're never gonna get to this.
I thought if there's more sides, then we do. There has to be 3 sides.
Okay, but wait, Naomi, how many angles are in the law of sine? In the law of cosine? 1, right? And this one, I gave you 1. I want you to solve for another. So you have. Yep. So this time you have 2 angles and you have 2 sides.
Yeah, but if we get an angle, if we get an angle, but we have to solve for a side, that means that we use.
Unless I give you 2 angles. That's okay. Okay.
Hey, no, but it was a valid question.
8 over what?
X, yeah.
Sine of x. Then we have, what's on the other side?
6.
Over sine of 30, because that's the angle opposite of it. Okay. Keep, change, flip. Not keep, change, flip. Cross multiply. 8 sine of 30. I don't think we're going to finish this today. Equals 6 sine of x.
Wait.
Amy, what should I do next if I want to solve for x? Yeah, divide by 6, divide by 6. So I have 8 sine of 30 over 6. Sunny, when you put this into your calculator, what do you get?
I got 0.6 repeating.
Okay, 0.6 repeating. Okay, how do I get x all by itself? Yep, take the inverse on both sides. Inverse on both sides, so I have sine inverse of 0.6 repeating equals x. And then Lily, what was x? 41.81 degrees. So that should be the degrees over here. What? No. So this angle here is 41.81 degrees. But guess what? Calculators are stupid. It only gives you 1 solution. There are 2 solutions to this problem. What? No. Okay. I want what?
For the
inverse of sine point 0.6 would be.
Let's look it up. Did anyone else put in the calculator? Everyone try to put in your calculator. It should be in degrees.
I got 36.8.
2/3, because that's only 0.6.
Oh.
0.6
I got 41.81. It's okay. Okay. Yeah. We just put that in the calculator and we got 0.6. Yeah. Okay. In your notebooks. What's up, Sebastian? I want you to make a straight line. A big, long, straight line. Ronaldo, make a straight line. Really long. In your notebook. No, it just has to be a straight line. From that straight line are 8 foot long. 8 foot. Apparently I'm making it feet now. The side that's 8 long was 30 inches high. So go 30 inches, make a little mark. Make this one super, super long. You can make it in inches or centimeters. Centimeters is probably easier. So this is 30 high. This is an angle of 30. Okay. Make a straight line. Put the open circle right here at the end of your line and line it up. So these are straight. You're going to share with the person next to you. Naomi, share. Go up 30 degrees and make a point. If I had more, I would give more out. Okay, do we all get 30 degrees? Okay, make a line from the start of this line that is 8 centimeters long, or inches, whatever you're on. Right there.
8 centimeters long.
8 centimeters long. What? Okay. Oh. No, this is side of 8. So this is 8 now.
Oh, wait, no,
And this is 30 degrees. Okay. Okay, take 6 centimeters. That's how wide this should be right now. 6 centimeters. This should be 6 centimeters wide. This should be 30 degrees. And make it 8 centimeters long. That's 30. Okay. Is this 6 for all of you? Hold it up. I know. But I'm going to keep for 1 second. Put this here. The spinning. Make a half circle that goes down. Like so. That goes through this line twice. It connects to this line how many times? Twice.
Wow.
So it makes 2 different triangles. It makes this big long triangle, which we found to be 41.18 degrees, but there's also a smaller one right there. This makes 2 different triangles. It gave us this angle. It did not give us that angle right there. We'll talk more about this tomorrow. This is the start of the ambiguous case. That's okay. We'll do it again tomorrow. Yeah.